Going natural is easy. Embracing your hair texture, loving your curls, yeah, anyone can do that. Turning away from relaxers and heated tools, not a problem. But when it comes to taking care of your natural hair on a day-to-day basis and caring for it, oh baby, that's where the problem comes in. That's the part that's not easy, and that's the part that nobody wants to talk about. As you can see, her natural hair is not in the best shape right now. It's extremely dry, it's matted, and it's so stiff. I mean, how do you get your hair so stiff and cockeyed like this? Of course, we have wonderful days where our hair looks immaculate, but then there's days when our hair looks like this. So I'ma help her. In fact, girl, her is me and me is her. Girl, that's me. I can't believe I let my hair get like this again. I swore I was not gonna let that happen to my hair, but girl, I did it again. Hey, it's me. Hey, girlfriend, I don't know what happened. I'm sorry. I can't explain this. This is out of my hands. You see, what had happened was life started lifing, and yeah, it got the best of me. But we got to deal with it. I cannot let my hair continue to go downhill. I got to do something. I can't tie nothing on it. I can't hide it no more under no hats. And you know I'm a hat girl. None of my hats won't fit. I mean, my berets, a wig won't fit. I can't camouflage this no more. I have got to deal with my hair today. My hair has been like this for 3 days. Yes, I said 3 days. You would think it's been like this for a month, but only 3 days. How does this happen in 3 days? Not even my Captain Save a Whole Hat can save me from this drama. Like, look at this. Look at this. What? Come on now. All I did was remove my mini braids protective style, and I thought I can go the entire weekend with my hair like this, but damn it, I couldn't. Now I gotta just go straight into putting another protective style in there, or just making sure my hair is dealt with. One thing about having natural hair, you can't just be letting it do what it want to do, unless you're ready to end up with freeform locks, because your hair will mat up on you. It will start to hug and clump up on you. So you gotta have some type of strategic plan for your natural hair at all times. Now, like I said, life be lifing, so sometimes you just can't stick to the plan. Sometimes you're just going to end up with having matted hair, and you're just going to have some type of routine regimen in place. And let's not forget no magic products, because if you ain't got these magic products, girl, you in for it, because your hair is going to give you a warm time. Let me tell you, if I didn't have these products from Cocaknotz.com, baby, I want to know what to do with my hair. I would literally not know how to untangle my hair, get my hair back on track. I know that using natural products, especially these magical products on my hair, that my hair is going to detangle every time. I'm not going to lose all my hair. My hair ain't gonna be breaking apart. I know that I'm gonna give my hair a real potent dose of nutrients and vitamins and amino acids, that my hair is gonna be happy and be my friend again. Because right now, me and my hair beefing. We ain't even talking like that, because she like, girl, how you just gonna forsake me like that and let them outside problems get in your head and make you not take care of me? Girl, yeah, she cussed me out. And as you can see, she acting funny. Yeah, but I know how to get her right, girl. All she needs is a little bit of water, a little bit of natural products, and she just want me to caress her and give her a massage and stuff like that. You know, the same old, same old. And that's exactly why I'm not even going to use no comb on her or no detangling brush, because after I treated her so bad for these last couple of days, I would be so mean. Bringing a comb in this situation is like me trying to jump my hair. That's just unfair. I'm not even going to do her like that. Can you imagine? I ain't give her no water for no days. I ain't give her no natural products for some days, and then I come and whoop her ass with a comb. Girl, that's just evil. And I ain't even got that in me to be that type of wicked to my hair. So what you're going to see me use is soft and conditioned water to get my hair nice and saturated, and then I'm going to use a natural detangling oil to help me finger detangle and get the knots out of my hair and really soften up my hair, so I'll be able to do some type of maneuvering with it. Because if I would have went in and just tried to detangle my hair dry with a comb, I would literally tear out my hair. Literally convert the comb into a scissor and a tweezer, and I would tweeze and I will pluck and I will cut my hair. So what you're going to see me do is use softened conditioned water throughout this entire process, and I'm going to be using a natural oil that has a lot of slip. That way I can finger detangle my entire head with ease. Now this process took me about 45 minutes to an hour, but I'm gonna go ahead and speed it up because, you know, this is showbiz, baby. This television. So I'm just, you know, I ain't even gonna put y'all through all of that. But just know that this process is so much more simpler for me these days now that I have a routine and I know how to really get my hair back on track. Back in the days, I would have just been ignorant and took a comb, combed out my hair while it was dry, probably use some type of strengthening conditioner or shampoo and just do the whole process. Or I probably would have slapped a relaxer in there to soften it out a little bit so I can just get through it. But then I ain't have hair for years, but it just never clicked that my bad hair practices was the culprit. I really thought that it was just in my genes to not have thick, long, strong hair. I just thought I was supposed to have struggle hair all my life, but that is not the case. If you ever find yourself in a situation where your hair is dry, matted, stiff, you definitely want to work on it when you're in a better state of mind. And don't wait too long now. Now, I know the Bible say long suffering, but you ain't got time to be having your hair long suffer like that, or it ain't going to end up right for you, okay? But you definitely want to deal with it when you're not frustrated at all. So as you can see, I went ahead and I finger detangled my entire head, and I got it in these nice, juicy, loose twists. Now I'm just going to shampoo my hair. I'm not going to do any special treatments today. It's not going to be no great detox or no hot oil treatment or nothing like that. I'm just trying to get my hair back on track because, like I said, I got to go ahead and deal with, you know, what life is throwing at me right now, and I got to get back on schedule. So I'm just going to be using my natural shampoo, and I like to use a shampoo that is straight from the earth. I don't be using all them chemicals in my hair no more because I ain't got time for it. Been there, done that, and I was bald-headed for years, and my hair was just not at its fullest potential. So I use this natural shampoo that comes in a form of tea bags, and it's just made with herbs, roots from the earth, and you just put it in an applicator bottle and you add boiling water. And when the color changes and the water cools down, your shampoo is ready. So I went ahead, shampooed my hair, and as you can see, I am ready to go ahead and finger detangle my hair some more and put a protective style in my hair that I'll be able to kind of manage. I don't have time to make the perfect protective style right now. I just need something to get me from here to there. That's it, from A to B. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some twists in my hair, some plaids, something quick. I'm not going to be using any comb. I'm not going to focus on neat partings at all. I'm just trying to get my hair situated and separated. So I'm going to be using these thick oils and butters because I need the moisture to stay in my hair. My hair was extremely dry. Now, my hair dries out kind of fast. I live in the deep, deep South, okay? So the sun is like, it's literally 100 degrees every other day. So I need something that's going to hold the moisture. I need some potent, powerful oils that are thick, baby, that's going to keep the moisture on for hours, even a couple of days before I have to re-moisturize it. I love using this thick oil and thick butter combination because it really helps soften my hair, because right now that's what my hair needs. I need it to be soft. I need it to be separated. I need it to be detangled, and I need it to be moisturized. Every time I get in the middle of my hair routine, I always feel a little bad that I let my hair get really dry because I'm just like, girl, you know better. Like, why? You know you have to stay on top of your natural hair. But then I have to give myself some grace because even though I've been on this natural hair journey for some years, it's still pretty new to me. Like, I'm not used to this, girl. It's been over 5 years and I'm still not used to this sometimes. It's just so easy to just wake up, flat iron your hair, sew in some weave, put a protective style so you don't have to get into this type of work. It's like I love my hair, but I'm gonna be honest, the maintenance is, woo, girl, it's just like, hi. The maintenance is high. This is high maintenance. So I'm really trying to really get into the habit of not letting anything get in the way of me caring for my hair, not being lazy with it, not letting business overwhelm me, not letting outside personal affairs get in the way of me just really loving on my hair. So just, have grace for yourself. And I'm asking you guys to have grace for me, because I know some of y'all probably watching like, I know she ain't trying to preach this natural hair thing and sell us products and her hair be looking like that. Girl, I'm human too. Life be happening to me too. But I'm just showing you guys that you just got to keep it moving, and you got to keep it growing, and you got to make sure that your hair is in its right place, because when life is lifing, you still got to look beautiful. You still got to keep growing your hair. You still got to have healthy hair. I used to have an aunt tell me that whenever you're sick, never make your hair go too long without being brushed up, because if you brush up and take care of your hair, the recovery is going to be faster. So I always try to make sure that no matter what's going on, I might need a 3-day break. I might let my hair get a little dry even for a week, but I'm going to make sure I get to my hair, because my hair is my mind, okay? And I have to make sure that my mind is intact. I have to make sure that I'm mentally stable, emotionally stable. So I got to deal with my hair and make sure that I am untangling these wires that's trying to get crossed up on me. I believe that my hair is my antenna, so I got to make sure that these wires ain't getting crossed. So as you can see, I did a simple protective style. I'm going to go ahead and put on a wig while my hair is just marinating underneath. And I'm just going to keep it moving. But I feel so much better. Now I can go about my day. I can hang with family, because I got that big stress off of me. Because sometimes not having your hair done or having your hair matted up underneath, it can be a heavy weight on you. You just don't feel right. So I encourage you, if your hair is going through it right now, deal with it head on, okay? Head to Cocaknotz.com, get you some products that's going to help you, because I'm telling you, these products is going to really help you get back in tune, because they're all natural. They're from the earth. They are in tune with the source. So right now I'm celebrating my niece's birthday. I can't believe she won already, girl. The time be flying. I be feeling young. It be them kids letting you know that you getting older, right? So we went to celebrate her birthday, and then we went to have some lunch. Happy hair, happy life. No matter what stage your hair is at, make sure that you are caring for your hair and you're nurturing your hair, because that's self-love. That is self-care, and we all could use that. After having a wonderful lunch, we decided to go ahead and do some retail therapy, baby, and we went shopping. I must say, I had a wonderful day. Dealing with my natural hair really set the tone for my day, for the rest of my week. I am so at peace now. I was searching for this peace all week, and all I had to do was care for my hair. Now I have extra room to manifest luxury items, manifest softer, longer hair, because long hair is my destiny and big hair is my birthright, and money too.